Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix your find my location not working issue on your phone. So for instance, you want to use that feature, but you can't. So go to settings first, and we are going to scroll until we find the privacy and security. Go to location services and make sure it's enabled. Then you are going to select Find My, which is the Find My iPhone. Make sure you enable while using the app. If it's on never, just click this and make sure it's at the precise location. Restart your phone. Well, just turn it off and on. And that is pretty much it. Hopefully after this it will be fixed, but make sure your location is always on or it's not going to detect your location anyway. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!